Which UPS is right for your installation? Line interactive or online? And what's the real difference between them? It's a question we get all the time, so let's make it simple. Let's start with the Line Interactive series. It's built around an AVR, an automatic voltage regulator that constantly keeps your power steady. If the voltage is too low, it lifts it. Too high, it brings it down. And if the power cuts out, it switches to the internal batteries. In short, it's a system that reacts. That's why we call it interactive. Day-to-day power flows straight through, from the wall through the regulator into your equipment. Only during an actual power cut does it switch to the batteries. Because there's a small switching moment, the LI range is best for everyday installations. NVRs, DVRs, routers, office computers, access control, anywhere the local power is reasonably stable. For very sensitive equipment like servers or complex IT, it's not the right choice, and I'll show you why in a moment. So what are the advantages? First, size. It's a compact tower with 1 or 2 internal batteries. It's completely silent, and the price is genuinely attractive. The Line Interactive series covers 600 VA up to 2000 VA. On the other side is the Online series, a more advanced technology. Here, all the incoming power is converted from AC to DC, down to the battery voltage. The batteries sit directly on that line, online all the time. Then it's converted a second time, back to AC, before reaching your equipment. That double conversion delivers perfectly stable power. Clean, smooth, exactly what sensitive equipment expects. This is a complete solution for every kind of power problem your grid can throw at you. So you can safely connect any critical equipment, large surveillance backbones, servers, network switches, IT, communication racks, even medical or high-end security systems. The online range is rack mount, so it slides straight into a server cabinet or comms rack. It has an advanced display showing full system status, input, output, load, battery, temperature, and faults, so you always know what's happening. The Online series covers 1000 VA, up to 3000 VA. So how do you choose? Here's the simple rule. Line Interactive for standard sites. NVRs, small networks, offices, access control, where the grid's okay and you want reliable backup at a clean price. Online for critical sites. Server rooms, comms racks, large surveillance backbones. Anywhere downtime or dirty power costs real money. You'll find the full UPS range and our free backup time calculator at Provision-ISR.com. Thanks for watching.